Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find and how to turn on our screensaver in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. To look for our screensaver options, we have to go to the settings menu here. Then we need to go to display functions here, and our screensaver is at the bottom of the list here. So we can tap it once, and here we have a couple of options. By default, our screensaver is turned off. To enable our screensaver, we have to choose one of these options. For example, let's use colors once and preview, and let's see. Lighter blue, black, and purple. Our color screensaver is active. Turn it off, simply select none. Or just leave as it is. Checked box here. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.